Okay, gaining access to the mass airflow meter and the air filter on the BMW N42 engine, E46. It is a little bit difficult, but it can be done. What you've got is two bolts here, and once they're undone, the whole box will move a bit, and then the tricky part is underneath here. You may or may not be able to see that. You can see it there, but there are a few retaining screws as well, so they all need to come off. Then this lid can come off, and then you'll have access to the mass airflow meter and the air filter. So we'll crack on with taking those screws out, and then we'll show you inside this box. Okay, so we've removed the Jubilee clip. You can have a closer look at the Jubilee clip here if you're not exactly sure what it is. It's basically just a screw which tightens this tube up here, which connects to this part of the MAF. Now this is the mass airflow meter on the BMW. It has the electronic wiring going into the engine and the ECU, and this is the airflow meter, which measures the measures the airflow coming through the air filter into this section here and ultimately into the engine. And it's at this point which measures how much air needs to go into the engine to mix with the fuel to get the engine running efficiently. So that's the airbox and the mass airflow meter separated. Pretty easy, as long as you know how to do it. Okay, so we've just removed 6 screws from underneath here to gain access to the airflow meter and the air filter. Now these are the screws here. It's best to use a stubby screwdriver, really short one, because you haven't got a lot of space to work with under here. But anyway, here goes. This lid cover should just come off. I see it should, but it doesn't seem to be. That's because what I've done right there, I've left one of the screws in, so I'll need to get that out. Okay, so we'll start that again. There are in fact 7 retaining screws. Using the small stubby, now we should be able to get this off. Ta-da! Nothing much to say on the inside of that, but that gains us access to the air filter, as you can see here. And that should just clip off using a few clips there. Underneath that should be the mass airflow meter, but we need to get this off.